Rattlesnake Bites. Fried pickles. Frying oil 12 cups, all-purpose flour 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 12 cups, pickle chips, ranch dressing or horseradish sauce. Seasoned rice. Seasoned rice. Creamy chili sauce. Lawson Petals. 1 medium onion 11/2 cups flour 1/2 tsp cayenne pepper 1 tsp salt 1 tsp pepper 1 tsp sugar. Texas Roadhouse chili. Texas Roadhouse cinnamon butter.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.